back to the my new video fans and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we disable our auto brightness mode setting in our Tecno phone device. So friends, you want to disable your auto brightness. So friends, you can disable it. And guys, now let's see how to disable auto brightness. Friends, open your phone setting to disable your auto brightness setting. Then guys, you can see this type of setting guys click on display and brightness setting guys. And guys, second option guys, adaptive brightness, tap here. And guys, you can see this icon on your Tecno phone. So if you want to off means disable your auto brightness, you can disable from this right side. So we will click on this right side, then guys see auto brightness will disable. And guys, we can customize guys, we can increase and decrease brightness for ourselves guys, to ourselves. So like that guys, you can disable your auto brightness in your Tecno phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel, and friends, you have any doubt related to guys your brightness and display setting, you can ask me in comment section. Bye friends.